Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the text overlay in CapCut for PC. Alright, go to library and select the black screen background and go to text and select the full text or just effect, or you can also add the text template. So I'm just going to add the full text and adjust for the duration and the same length with text duration. Alright, so change for the text. For example, you can resize and you can change for the text fonts or font style. Sorry, you can change for the font style and then font color, and you can also add the animation. Alright, and I'm just going to add the web in, and then just for the duration and 3.0 seconds, just full duration. Alright, after done, you are just going to select the clips and right click, select create component clip. Move up, the clip and add the photo or videos you like to edit, and then put in bottom story duration assembly. So this is the text overlay. You are just going to go to basic and select mode overlay. Select the overlay. See the final result. You can also add another mode overlay, screen or just brightness. I'm just going to brighten. So this is the final effect. Right. This is how you can create the text overlay in CapCut PC. So super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.